Optimizing animal health, performance, and welfare requires a 360-degree approach. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. But just because it can be complex doesn't mean it has to be a guessing game. That's where Kemin comes in. Using decades of scientific research, thorough testing, and customer feedback, we created our multifaceted Triple Check program to provide a comprehensive platform for best-in-class solutions. The Triple Check program serves as a support system to clean up contaminants in the environment, feed, and water prior to animal exposure, build up intestinal strength and immunity to reduce leaky gut, and knock out harmful pathogens to support overall health and performance. The Kemin Triple Check helps you address key aspects of gut health, feed quality, nutrition, and pathogen control. Clean up your environment, fat, grain, water, and finished feeds by targeting profit-robbing contaminants. Animals encounter harmful pathogens every day in the environments where they live and in the feed and water they consume. Help eliminate these profit-robbing contaminants before they cause a problem with Kemin Cleanup Solutions. Build up the intestinal barrier and immune system to maximize nutrient absorption and to inhibit harmful pathogens or toxins from entering the bloodstream. Common environmental and situational stressors, ranging from pathogens and parasites to diet changes and extreme weather, can lead to leaky gut syndrome. Promote intestinal integrity and immunity with Kemin Build-Up Solutions. Knock out or inhibit harmful pathogens from infiltrating the body to support overall health and performance. Pathogen reduction leads to enhanced immune function and animal well-being through reduced disease incidence. Help protect your animals from pathogens with Kemin Knockout Solutions. The Kemin Triple Check can help your animals reach their full potential by cleaning up contaminants, building up intestinal health and immunity, and knocking out pathogens. Maximize your operation by visiting kemin.com/triple check.